Okay, so we're going to go over repeating and terminating fractions, okay? So in this question, they've actually given us a couple. What were they? Number 1 was 1 over 8, correct?
Yep.
Number 2 was 5 over 6, I think?
Yep, 5 over 6.
Yeah, and 3 was...
11 over 14.
Okay, and we'll go over a couple more in terms of this. We're going to use prime factorization to figure out if they're repeating or terminating. We already know this. We've gone through it a little. So, what's the rule?
Well, if the number has repeating 2s or 5s,
Yeah.
if the denominator has repeating 2 or 5s as
good.
factors, as prime factors, then the number will be terminating.
If the denominator is a combination of 2s and 5s.
And or, yeah.
Yeah, good. Or 5s. What is it?
The decimal will terminate.
Perfect. Anything else?
Well, if any other prime factors are mixed with the 2s or 5s, then you can tell.
Oh yeah. Well, let's make sure we spell that right. Repeating. Anything else will be a repeating decimal.
Yeah.
That's what we know for our rule, right?
Yep.
Okay. So we have this here. We'll quickly jump through them. Prime factors of, we only need the denominator, right?
Yep.
So for number 1, we only focus on 8. What are the prime factors of 8?
2 to the power of 3.
Yeah. So
4 is 2
that's perfect.
to the power of
So what are these combinations of?
2 times 2 times 2.
So what are we going to get? Are we going to get a T for terminating or R for repeating?
T.
T. This will be a terminating decimal. Okay, it will not be a repeating decimal. Good. Let's take a look at the next guy. Number 2. What part do we have to look at?
Well, we have to look at the denominator, which is 6.
Good. So we'll highlight all these denominators so we know that we're only looking at them, right? So 6. What are the prime factors?
2 or 3.
2 or 3. Are these only 2s or 5s?
No.
So what are we going to get?
Repeating?
Yeah, that's right. Good. And number 3. What do we get?
14, 2, and 7.
2 and 7.
So it's repeating.
Excellent, because we have something that's not a 5. So let's take a look at the next few questions they've given us. We'll write them all out here, because we can do this pretty quickly, I think.
Yep. Okay. 4 is 7 over 20, which is obvious. I can tell that it's terminating.
How do you know it's terminating? What are the prime factors of 20?
The prime factors are 20 you can put 2 and 10.
Yeah.
So then you'd have to make 10 into 2 by 5.
Yeah, and what are those? They're all...
So 2 and 5, so
Yeah.
you can tell.
Excellent.
Or you can just say, because 20 times 5 is 100, 7 times 5 is 35.
Okay, good, good.
Then the next one, 17 over 100, which you could easily convert. But
Let's do prime factors of 100.
100 is 10 by 10.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll be to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 2.
Okay, excellent. 2 times 5 and 2 times 5 is what we're going to get.
Yeah.
So 2 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 2 are all our primes. So terminating or repeating?
Well, it's terminating.
Good. What's our
Then
last one?
8 over 13.
Prime factors of 13.
1 and 13.
So
it's repeating.
excellent. Good. And now we got that. Excellent. Take a look at our whole page here. Great job. So there's a neat little rule that we can always remember if we're trying to figure that out.